gold against US dollar, we can see that the market has moved to the downside this week a little bit on a Monday, but it has not continued to move down what was expected in the previous week analysis. Everything was showing that the price will continue to move down, but something has happened on the market and the price reversed back up. We can see after indecision candle here, the price started to move to the upside, and on a Monday and a Tuesday the price continued to move up. So the first level that price has broke is this one here on a Monday, which suggested that the price could make a reverse, and that reverse was also expected to make a confirmation on the weekly time frame as a retest, because we have seen a breakout. We will see that, and then the price has continued to move down on a Wednesday. We can see a strong bullish candle, and then the price stopped just right here around this resistance level. We can see that the price on a Friday tried to move again back down. This could be also a retest of this breakout on the daily time frame. Now take a look on the weekly what has happened. Now as it looks right now, we can also put here, this is a bullish engulfing bar. This is a bullish engulfing bar. After the price has made a breakout to this one, the price has continued to move down, confirming this breakout here, but this was also a breakout outside of this support. The price did not make a confirmation of this breakout like as was expected on the daily, but the price reversed back up. So we can see that the price has reached this resistance, and then the price reverses back down a little bit. If we go to the monthly time frame, where we have still one more week to be closed, we can see that this week has completely been bearish. This month has been completely bearish. So we can see that the price has reached the lower price level than in the last 2 months, and then the price reversed back up. We can see that the critical levels for the monthly time frame are still here visible. That is around this one, 1.1876 price level, and also 1.1884. So this is the area that is very critical on the monthly time frame to be defined in the next week. If the price goes below, the price could reach this area here, 1876, and then we will see what happens. But if the price goes above this candle's close and this candle's open, this will mean that the price is still inside indecision area like the last 2 months. It's very unlikely that the price will return back up to 1966 price level, so I am not expecting that the price will make strong move, which is a bullish one, to the upside and making a breakout above this area to move completely bullish, which will mean that the price will continue to move up. So I'm still here as a bearish, and also still it will be inside indecision area, so I'm expecting to see how the weeks will end, because the weeks are very important to define where the market will move. So the price level on the weekly time frame, very critical ones are this one here around 188 price level, we can see it here, and below that is 1868. This is the next one support here. So because of this bullish engulfing bar, there is still possibility that the price will try and make a reverse from here. This engulfing bar is in between, look at here, between this resistance and this support, and this one here, which is a monthly, currently acting as a support for the price. It was not completely confirmed on the weekly time frame. We can see that it's not so strong and valid on the weekly time frame as it was in the past. So for now, I'm expecting and waiting to see where the market will move. The very critical levels for the weekly time frame is this one here as the first one, 1912, and on the above side is one here, 1928. If the price goes above, it will mean we'll retest this one, but it will be inside this area here where we had the price in the previous weeks. If the price goes down, then I'm expecting that the price will reach again 1890 as a first support, and then moving down. If we go to the daily time frame, we will see much more clear this situation and how this looks. After the price has made a breakout to the upside, going inside this area, the price has reversed back down, making the retrace and confirming this one breakout as a valid one on the daily time frame. So if we go to the weekly, we can see that after the price has made a breakout to the upside with this strong engulfing bullish candlestick, there is a possibility that the price will reverse back down and making a retrace on the weekly time frame. And that means on the daily we could expect that the price goes down again and then confirming. If the price doesn't confirm this on the weekly, that means if the week goes below that, it will mean that this breakout was not a valid one, this one here. It will mean that the price will continue to move down to the lower price levels. And the lower price levels are the first one here, 1890. It's the first support that needs to be broken, that has stopped the price in the past and then continue to move down like it was expected in the previous week analysis. On the upside, if the price goes above, this is the critical level 1926 for the bulls to push the price above and be inside this indecision area. We can see that is the first level, and the strongest one is this one here. We can see it here as starting of this supply zone. So there is a possibility that the price goes above on the daily time frame and forming here a bearish, some kind of signal like a bearish pin bar or engulfing bar, and then going down, reaching lower price levels. So there is also high probability that will happen, but for now the price is inside this indecision area. We can see it here. It's very unclear where the price could go. Remember that we need to have a confirmation of bullish breakout on the weekly time frame and also very critical levels for the month. So for now, for this week, I'm staying outside and watching what will happen, but I am watching closely to see is there any bearish price action signal around this supply zone that will push the price on lower price levels. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!